Welcome back. Well, if you're looking to remove an odor from your car, from your boat, from your house, look no further than Biocide Systems. I'm here with Juan Carlos, and I tell you what, very impressed with this because easy to use, it works, and it removes an age-old problem. Tell us a little bit about your company.
So Biocide Systems, we've been around about 8 years now. We're the first to market with a chlorine dioxide odor eliminator. We developed the technology, did a lot of research on chlorine dioxide. Chlorine dioxide's been around probably about 100 years, primarily used in like meat packing facilities, slaughterhouses, fish canneries, where there's a lot of odor and bacteria. Very effective, and the reason it's so effective is because it's a gas. Even in a liquid state, it's a gas trapped in liquid. So basically, what happens is the gas molecules are so much smaller than any other product out there. The gas molecules can penetrate any porous surface. Other products, you can either clean the air or spray on the surface. But this product actually works like a smart bomb. So if someone's been smoking in a car and they're blowing that smoke, it goes into the dash, it goes into the headliner. This product actually follows the path of that smoke, and it'll get behind the dash, it'll get into the headliner. If someone gets sick in a seat, it goes down deep into the seat. No other product does that.
So this is really easy to use. It's safe, and as you mentioned, it really gets the job done. And I see so many different applications for our car, our house, maybe even air conditioning units as well.
Absolutely. Even with this, for the auto shocker, so our line is called BioShocker line. We have 5 SKUs under that line, one for the home, one for the RV, one for marine, and we also have a pet line as well. But this product will get into the AC unit. At the end of the treatment, all you have to do is turn your recycle air, and it gets that mildew smell that everybody deals with in their AC. It gets rid of that as well.
Well, let me ask you this. How long after we use this can we go ahead and use our vehicle or our boat, etc.?
So it all depends on the severity of the odor that you're dealing with. It's a molecule to molecule battle. This little puppy right here will release chlorine dioxide at 22 parts per million for 24 hours straight. So that's a lot of molecules. However, if you just pull the car out of a lake, you're gonna have more molecules after you dry that car, so you might need 2. But in most cases, 99% of the time, you only need 1.
And you know, as I mentioned, the application, certainly for home use, for our cars, but for those who are professionals that detail cars, this is going to become their next best friend.
Oh yeah, absolutely. We have a lot of people that go to the auctions now, and before they used to run away from the smelly cars, nobody wanted to get those. Now the guys that know the secret, they're buying those smelly cars cheap and just turning them over with this product. Really, really effective.
Safe, effective, easy to use.
It's a green product too. So yeah, it doesn't leave any carbon footprint, breaks down to saline, there's no wiping, no mess to clean up, super safe, super easy.
Well, I tell you, an amazing product. Who are we going to be meeting to tell us a little bit more how it works and how we can get a hold of it?
That's my partner Spencer, and him and I developed this product, and he will be actually explaining how to activate it and where you can get it.
Easy enough. Juan Carlos, thank you for being on.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Joining me right now is Spencer Blua. And Spencer, earlier you started this, very easy to use, activated with water, and it looks like there's yellow gas starting to form in there.
That's correct.
But still very safe, is that right?
Yes, this is chlorine dioxide gas that's forming. It's at a very low concentration, strong enough to eliminate odors, but very safe, non-toxic, non-carcinogenic. It's an easy product to use.
Well, you know, the nice part about it is we're not just coating a surface and wiping it down. It penetrates, it traces those odors. The war goes on and then it's done. So this is going to be really a thorough way to remove an odor or a funk that earlier we weren't able to get rid of.
Absolutely. That's the main difference between us and everybody else on the market is that all other products clean the air or they clean the surface, and that's all they do, which is why the odors come back. This product, because it is a gas, it penetrates everywhere, every porous surface, every cushion, foam, seat, padding, it goes in there and oxidizes the odors that are in there, killing them, therefore eliminating them permanently. And it gets into behind the dash, everywhere where the other products can't get, this gets into.
And this is really going to be great for people who detail cars. The new used car dealer out there who has a car that has a funk they just can't get rid of, this is going to make the car very saleable.
Absolutely. It's actually, this product really gives dealers a return on investment because not only is it making it sellable, it's able to raise the price. So they can actually ask for a little bit more because it's a nice clean car now and that doesn't stink like something weird.
And you know, in addition to smoke and pet and all of that, there's other odors out there that we can't identify. This gets rid of all of them. So we have a neutral car when we get into it.
Absolutely. You have a completely neutrally smelling car. It actually, people tell us it kind of smells like fresh laundry, which everybody likes. So yes, you then end up with an odorless car that has no objections to people wanting to buy it.
Easy to use, it's definitely safe. You've already activated this one about 5 minutes ago, and we're showing that gas is starting to form, and this is what's really going to do the work. But the really nice thing about it is it's going to be safe, gets the job done quite quickly in a day or maybe just a little more depending on how bad it is.
Right. Basically, we tell people on our instructions leave it in for anywhere between 4 to 24 hours depending on the severity of the odor. If somebody's smoked in a car for over the weekend, 4 hours is fine. If you have a car from a smoker for 10 years, 24 hours, but it will get the job done.
And on the elbow grease scale from 1 to 10, this is like a 0. You just activate it, set it in, shut the door, and you come back, it's done all the work for you.
Absolutely. Less than 0 because there's no manual labor involved at all. You put it in, this leaves no residue, so there's no wipe down, no cleanup. Take it out, throw it away, and that's it. Literally 5 minutes to put in, 5 minutes to take out, and you're done.
So a high return on an investment that really costs very little, under $30, is that right?
Absolutely. It's retails $24.95, so it's it's very affordable, but it does an incredible job. And for obviously dealers and jobbers, they get a better price because they're wholesaler price. So $24.95 is a retail. So yes, it has a great return on investment.
Very affordable, very effective, very safe, and it gets the funk out. And with that said, Spencer, right now I know you have to have the attention, all of our viewers out there. What's the best way for them to learn more and how they can get this in their place?
So they can go to our website, biocidesystems.com or autoshocker.com. There's a lot of information there. We have a lot of articles showing different uses, different applications, like some people are concerned with pet urine, some people are concerned with cigarette, and et cetera, et cetera. So there's a lot of information there. And then there's our 800 number. You can call us. Any of our customer service people that will help you out, place an order, or just get it, or help on how to use it. But either way, you just give us a call and we can take care of you, or you can go to one of our many warehouse distributors in the country that carry our product.
Easy enough. Spencer, thank you so much for being on.
No problem. Thank you for having us.